The next group of helper verbs are those indicate a negative meaning to a statement. Comparing with others, negative should be the most clear and simple concept. However, there are still three helper verbs here. The first is the basic one, and the rest two provide a certain additional nuance. First, ず indicates the negative to a statement. Here's an example. 人のサブらわぬもののひまひまに。周りに誰もいない間に。In the conjugation, ず has two parallel forms from different origins. One is based on ず plus あり, thus has forms such as ざら、ざり、ざる、ざれ, and the other has its forms including ぬ in attributive, ね in perfective, which is not even within the same role. These two forms, such as ざる and ぬ in attributive, do not carry out any different meanings in the real writing. Then we are looking into じ and まじ. じ a conjecture of a negative statement. 勝つべき戦にまくることよもあらじ。勝つだろうという戦闘にまさか負けることもあるまい。This helper verb, rather than to consider that it means a negative, but better to take it as the expression of the speaker's will and judgment, I believe it is not まじ a conjecture of a negative statement with the assurance. 去る人あるまじければ、つゆたがわざらんと向かいいたらんは、一人ある心地やせん。そのような相手でなければ、同じく互いに向かい合っていようとも、まるで一人でいるような気持ちだ。This helper verb eventually presents the same concept with じ, but it is rather more stronger to emphasize the judgment of the speaker. It carries out a nuance that the speaker tends to say that according to all possible evidence, it is simply impossible that. Thus, in the real writing, we will count into the use of this word rather in a few occasions. Here is a drill from Kobun Online to confirm the use of all three helper verbs in this lecture. See you at next time.